Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to walk around the Red Rock Resort, show you some of the holiday decorations, and then also give you a room tour. The Red Rock Casino, Resort, and Spa opened on April 18th, 2006 in the Summerlin neighborhood of Las Vegas, about 10 miles from the Strip. It is owned and operated by Stations Casinos, and it's their flagship property. The name Red Rock comes from the nearby Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. The property has a modern theme with colors of the desert. The Red Rock Resort initially cost $925 million to build. The resort includes a 118,000 square foot casino, 796 hotel rooms, a 3-acre pool and spa area, 94,000 square feet of meeting space, and a 16-screen movie theater. Also a bowling alley and arcade for the kids. This incredible piece is a nearly 5-foot tall by 9-foot long gingerbread replica of the Red Rock Resort. This was done by the Bake Shop at Red Rock Casino, and it's in the middle of the casino floor outside of the Grand Cafe and the T-Bone's Chop House. This incredible gingerbread replica took over 500 hours to construct. The amazing detail includes 160 pounds of chocolate, 50 pounds of sugar, 40 pounds of rock candy, 2 pounds of edible copper paint, 60 pounds of fondant, 30 pounds of buttercream frosting, and 40 pounds of Rice Krispie treat. Here we are entering the hotel lobby and thought we would just walk through and show you some of the holiday decor. I love the mid-century Rat Pack vibe of this lounge. Okay, now we're headed up to the room for a tour. This particular room is the luxury 2-queen room. We are going to start in the luxurious marble bathroom. As you can see here, there's a huge mirror with 2 sinks and lots of storage underneath. Hair dryer, towels, towel racks, but this soaking tub is on a whole other level. It's always nice to have the option to make a call in the separate John room. Beautiful marble shower as well. You also have a generous closet here, lots of space to hang things, full-length mirror, ironing board, iron, and a suitcase rack. The room itself has a modern, streamlined aesthetic with high-end amenities, including 2 queen-size bed, plush down bedding, and Egyptian cotton linens. Depending on availability, you will have 2 choices for your view, either the iconic lights of the Las Vegas Strip or the Red Rock Canyon view and the pool area. So either way, you can't go wrong. This was obviously the Strip view option, and I'm trying very hard to capture it, but the reflection is a little bit crazy, so I apologize for that. Here we are looking at the Las Vegas Ballpark, which is doing the Enchant light display right now. And then we are looking east. Hopefully you get an idea of the amazing view of the Las Vegas Valley from this room. Here's a look at the outside of the Crimson nightclub. It's a year-round nightclub, but it's got a merry theme for the holiday season. And here's a quick look at the food court and all the options that are available. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season with your families and have a safe and happy New Year. If you have any other properties that you would like a tour of and maybe a room tour, please let us know down below and we would love to do that for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and Happy New Year, everybody.